Sometimes, the best gifts you can ask for are the ones you give to yourself.
Trying these new coffee pods. They were on sale at Target. Yeah, but I'm gonna go back to Starbucks. I tried that one time and I liked it, but honey, I need to go back to Starbucks. Where is my favorite coffee cup? Oh my goodness, I just realized I did not run the dishwasher. We're just gonna use this. I won this at my job during the Easter egg hunt. So it's so cute. Got it from Macy's. They got it from Macy's. And I like a lot of cream, girl. Could cream it up. I swear, y'all, I'll have a whole spoon next to me, but I'll take a butter knife and mix my coffee.
close and press. That's it.
This is the tea that I have been drinking. It's the peppermint tea. I actually got this from Marshall's. It has so many benefits in it. And one of the things I researched was peppermint tea, I guess, is supposed to cause inner peace, help you relax, regenerate. Also, I know you guys know this. I think I mentioned it in a video like years ago. I battle with depression. So anything I can do to keep me from having to like take medication, I've tried it, or I'm going to try it. Still need to see a therapist. No, I'm not telling anybody stop taking your medication, but this is things that I do to help myself, which is tea time, me time, and continuing to talk to a therapist. Hey guys, good afternoon. I'm coming on here with wet hair. I just put basically a texturizer on my hair to loosen up my curls. I timed myself so I would not leave it on. I wouldn't leave it on even if it's a relaxer. I don't know if y'all know this, but relaxers are not meant to get your hair bone straight. They're just supposed to get your hair straight enough so it'll be managed, so you can manage it better. But bone straight, your hair is over processed. So my hair is still curly besides where the heat damage is, but it's much, much more manageable. Normally, it would take gel, oil, some type of braiding putty, all kind of stuff just to get it back in a ponytail, and it would take forever, and my hands would be on fire. This time, I just put a little water on it, and I put some twist out cream that I had, because it smells so good. It smells like vanilla and candy, and pulled it back. I was getting ready to do a twist out on it, but my twists were not coming out right, and they were not staying. So I just put it back in a ponytail. I will not go to sleep with this ponytail. I like to let my hair breathe, but it is what it is. That's the day. I'm getting ready to make a taco bowl. Do you like my nails? I got them red this time. This is Gel X. So I don't know how I feel about Gel X. I'm so used to acrylic. But these seem to last a lot longer. With my other set that I had on, I don't think I recorded that whole time I had that other set on. That lasted me about 2 months. And even when I went to get them done, they still looked good. No chips, no nothing. So Gel X does last a lot longer than acrylic. And Gel X don't typically start rising like acrylic does. Once acrylic start rising, you really need to go and get your nails done because bacteria gets under there. And I actually have a cousin, I believe that happened too, and now she has no fingernail. Her fingernail will never grow back. I believe that's what happened to her. But anyways, let's get started because I'm hungry. Y'all, I want to tell y'all this too. Y'all be careful with this AI stuff. There's so many people getting scammed. What they're doing now is pretending like there's some type of company or something. And honey, I'm looking for what am I looking for? Ooh. And they get your information and use it to do whatever. Take your money out of your account. Maybe, you didn't co-sign for a whole damn $60,000 car and you don't even know it. So just be very careful. Very, very, very careful. And it's happening left and right. It actually happened to one of my coworkers. I use turkey meat. Just a healthier alternative, and it's cheaper. I hate when I cut the package open wrong. Ugh, this is... this from? This is by Paris Hilton. I got it from Walmart. Roast is my favorite. Sweet potatoes. This is my favorite bowl. Just some frozen sweet potatoes. You can do fresh sweet potatoes. It's not going to taste the same, and it takes longer. So I just get the fresh ones, frozen ones. You can add some mixed vegetables for those of us that are watching our carbs. I forgot to run the dishwasher this morning from all the pots and pans. So look what I'm cooking this rice in. That big old pot with that little bit of rice in it, because I forgot to run the dishwasher.